I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Sit down nice and easy. Make sure to connect your tailbone and sitting bone down to the mat. And with your palms, place on the top of solar plexus, both palms together. And just sit nice and easy. Let's take a deep breath here. Inhale. And exhale, drop your shoulders. Inhale, crown reaching to the sky. Expand the chest. Exhale, relax your neck, relax your cheeks. Inhale. As you exhale, your scalp, here, the top of your head, relax. Inhale, lift up your ear. Exhale, relax all your facial muscle. Keep breathing. Inhale, lengthen spine. And exhale to ground yourself. One more big inhale. And exhale, release your hands. Now, use your forefingers to gently caress your neck from the jawline to the collarbones. Here, very gentle and nice and easy. So when you're feeling nausea, all those muscles is very tight. So use your fingers and warm your fingers and gently caress around your neck. Now, your fingers sliding around your collarbone from your throat, bottom of your throat toward your shoulders. This way. With a gentle caress, try to bring blood flow around this area. And let's do the same thing over the side. With your forefingers, caress your neck from top to the bottom. Very gentle stroke. Now shifting your fingers, sliding from the bottom of your throat toward your shoulder side, toward outward. Outward gliding. Very good. So now let's lay down on your back. And bring one knee and knee close to your chest. And gently place your knee to the chest, and let's take deep breath here. Inhale, lengthen your spine to create space. And as you exhale, gently press your knee to your chest. And let's repeat. Inhale. As you exhale, switch your legs. Inhale, lengthen your spine, crown to the tailbone. And exhale, gently press your knee to your chest. Inhale, exhale, release. So now, let's make easy twist. Left over to your right. And let's use your palms, pressing down your knee. And this top arm, let's make circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's make movement to bring blood around the shoulder and shoulder blades. So now, with your top hand, grab bottom toes. And gaze to your left. Stay there, relax. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to center. And now, opposite side. And twist. Circle your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we stop hand, grab bottom toes, and gaze to your right. And 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, as you exhale, release back to center. So now, when you are feeling nausea, everything is tight, right? So around your chest and shoulder blades, because we're gonna release all those muscle. And now also, your front of your thigh is very, very tight. So now bend your knees to stretch the quadriceps in front of your thighs. Okay, and then from here to there, just drop opposite knee to the side, bend, and let's try to make like a C curve while stretching the front of your thigh. This way. So fingertips try to reach toward your knee. And here very relaxed, and let's take 5 deep breaths here. As you exhale, everything melting down to the mat. And any tension released. One more deep breath. And as you exhale, release back to center. Actually, now let's do the other side. And really stretch the front of your thigh. Other knee just drop to the left, to the side. And from here, try to make C curve. Inhale, exhale for 1. Both shoulder blades down on the mat. Breathing for 2. Release shoulder tension. And 3. Try to feel the stretch on the front of your thigh. 4. And 5. One more big inhale. And exhale to release back to center. Inhale, exhale, take final pose of Shavasana. Exhale, let it go. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!